RHS, have you noticed this new wall in the hallway leading to the Commons? It's a union wall that can benefit you, so listen up.
It's to link students that would be interested in any of the skilled trades that are behind me here in a way to where they could, what they say is, earn while you learn, which means you go into an apprenticeship program where they will train you as they pay you to do the job. And why we think it's going to be beneficial to have this here, not just for students but for staff to use it, is that the apprenticeships, it's not just about applying and then all of a sudden you're in an apprenticeship. They are highly competitive, most of these. So we have to work with our students to try to get them the skills and the ability to set themselves apart from the other applicants that are looking for these apprenticeships. You know, it's part of our role as our career and technical education teachers and all teachers. That's what we're trying to do with our students, is to have them graduate here with a competitive advantage in order to be able to enter one of these apprenticeships. It is here for our students, especially the one that you're looking at behind me. This is the main wall, but we also have mini versions with all the QR codes. One's in the counseling, the other ones we have to get set up, but we're planning on having one like in the athletic area too. So even anybody in our community really can come in and also take advantage of this if there's a parent or something looking for or any family member, older siblings that are looking for maybe a change in occupation or just looking for another opportunity that one of these apprenticeship programs might have to offer. So they're not just strictly for students, although obviously that's our primary concern and our primary focus, but they are available to anybody.
This union wall is available for anybody in Wyandotte to use, so take the opportunity to check it out. Hey RHS, I'm Marissa, and I'm here to show you how to use the new apprenticeship program wall. Step 1. Find the wall. It is located in the hallway connected to the Commons. Step 2. Find a career that interests you. There are many to choose from. Step 3. Scan one of these two QR codes. One is for a video and one is for a website to that specific career. Step 4. Watch the video or start reading about the apprenticeship based on the QR code you scanned. Step 5. If you find interest in the apprenticeship you scanned, on the website sign up to join a program. Now that you know how to use it, don't be afraid to stop by and check it out. It's important to learn about these careers so you can take the first step toward your future.